tonight I'm gonna unboxing. Okay, and my husband gave it to me from Christmas for Christmas, and then until now I haven't been open yet. And let's see what's inside the box. And I'm excited. He says about it. This is for the Christmas gift, Valentine's Day gift, and anniversary gift, and birthday gift. Oh, yeah, all in one. Well, let's open this box, all right? And also, guys, there's my third unboxing. Kidding! What's inside the box? Oh yeah! This is it, guys. It's a MacBook Air. He bought it online through Apple site last December 2020. I finally have time to unbox this. Let's open this up. I'm excited. Well, he bought it for me because my laptop, it's been getting really slow, and I'm always on the computer, so that's why he bought me one, and I really like this one too. I have been wanting this forever. It's rose gold, 8 GB memory, 256 GB SSD, 13-inch MacBook Air. Apple there. This is all-in-one gift. He said he will not gonna buy me anything after this. Here it is, guys. What's inside the box? It's just like designed by Apple in California. MacBook Air is a guide, and it's a touch power button. And of course, the charger. There's a charger. That's it about inside the box. Here it is. It's so lightweight, so thin. Here it is. It's automatically turned on. You see the Apple logo. As soon as you flip it up, it's automatically on.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Enter. United States.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
The VoiceOver Quick Start. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control the computer using only your keyboard. In this quick start, you'll learn the location of important keys on your keyboard and important VoiceOver commands. To advance through the quick start panels now, use the arrow keys located to the right of the main keyboard. Use VoiceOver to practice the commands you just learned about on the panel. The VoiceOver modifier, keyboard help, move around the screen. To adjust the voice, you select controls, you type in text fields, you enter information in text fields. Most text fields have labels located above or beside them.
Here it is, guys. You have to set up my account first, my email. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri is ready. Continue. I have to set up my fingerprint first. Here it is. My MacBook is all ready. Ready to use. Here it is. It's very lightweight. It's very lightweight, guys. So handy. Look at that. Finally get done setting up, guys, and unboxing. Here it is. I'm so excited to use it. Finally.